Anthropic just dropped Opus 5, their most powerful model yet, and it's free to use right now. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to access it for free, then put it straight to the test by building a full game with it. Let's get into it. Before we set it up for free, let's do a quick review of the model first. Anthropic released Opus 5 just yesterday, and after digging into its overview, this model is a straight-up banger from Anthropic. It's beating all of their own publicly available models right now, including Fable 5 and Opus 4.8. And it's also beating other top models like Kimi K3 and GPT-Sol. In fact, it's beating literally every model right now across 9 benchmarks. Let's start with Frontier Agentic Terminal coding. Fable scores 33.7%, Opus 4.8 only scores 21.7%, but this new banger scores 43.3%, beating every single model out there in agentic coding. Next, on knowledge work. This model scores 1816, while Fable 5 comes in at 1747, and Opus 4.8 sits at 1593. Even GPT 5.6 Sol can't beat it, except in one benchmark, Deep SWE Agentic Coding. That's the only place it loses. Now, let's talk pricing. Prices are the same as the Opus lineup, $5 per million input tokens and $25 per million output tokens. Now, let's jump into the main part, how to access this for free. To get free access, simply jump to the link in the description. You'll land on this page. Just click Get Started Free here. Now, enter your email and click Sign Up. It'll redirect you to the sign up page in just a few seconds. Once that page opens, type in your full name, set your password below, and click Sign Up with email. Or if you prefer, you can just continue with Google instead. Next, it'll ask for a verification code sent to your email. Simply enter that code here. Then it'll ask a few quick questions, like how you heard about the platform. Just complete those steps, and in a few seconds, you'll be redirected straight to your workspace. Now, forget about this interface for a second. It's super simple to use. Here's the core feature. To access Opus 5, just click on AI in the sidebar here. This will open the AI chat window. Now click on the model selector here, and you'll see multiple frontier coding models, GPT-Sol, all the Opus models, GPT Terra Luna 5.5, and even other Opus and Gemini models too. Now let's talk credits. You get 1,500 agent credits for free, plus 25 AI chat credits. Here's the thing. 1 AI chat token equals 1 chat. So that means you get 25 free chats with Opus 5. Now, let's put this to the test. I'm going to give it a prompt to generate a geometry dash game. And I've also added this exact prompt in the description if you want to try it yourself. Let's send the prompt and see exactly what kind of result Opus 5 can generate. Now, after 20 minutes, Claude generated the geometry dash game here. Now let's download it. The download is finished. Now let's open it. It generated a clean intro section here. Before we launch the game, there's a quick guide here too. It also added music and effects, along with a practice mode and screen shake option too. And look, it even added easy, hard, and brutal gameplay modes to choose from. Let's go with easy. And if you want this game's HTML file, I'll provide it in the description so you can test it yourself too. So let's play the game now. After 36 attempts, I finally passed the easy level. Personally, the game physics are perfect. There's no issue. And the sound is better too. Now let's go to the hard test. passed the hard level also, and in this level, the theme of the game changed according to the task. But finally, I completed it. Now let's move to the brutal step. I don't know how it looks like or how hard it is, so let's start. Finally, I completed the brutal step also, and it is actually brutal for me. I completed 3 out of 3 levels here, in 122 attempts total, with 3,515 jumps. Honestly, I like the game, and it's better to play. If you want to play it, I'll add the link in the description. If you play it, comment down below. How many attempts did you burn to complete all the steps? Now, subscribe for more videos like this, and let's end the video here. See you in the next one.